In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Adaptive Leadership course on Harvard's platform, step by step, even if you've never enrolled in an online course before. Adaptive Leadership is one of Harvard's most popular leadership programs, and it's designed to help you build skills that are relevant in real-world leadership challenges. If you've been searching for a clear, simple guide on how to find the course, enroll correctly, and start learning without confusion, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software and course tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to Harvard's official online learning platform. The Adaptive Leadership course is usually offered through Harvard Business School Online or harvardx, depending on the version available at the time. To make sure you're on the correct and official site, it's best to search for Harvard Adaptive Leadership course directly in your browser and click the result that leads to a Harvard-owned domain. This helps you avoid third-party or unofficial sites. Once the page loads, take a moment to review the course overview. Here, you'll see details like what Adaptive Leadership is about, who the course is designed for, the learning outcomes, course duration, and the effort required each week. This section is important because it helps you confirm that the course aligns with your goals, whether you're a manager, entrepreneur, student, or professional looking to strengthen leadership skills. Next, scroll down the page until you see the Adaptive Leadership course listing. Click directly on the course title to open the full course page. On this page, you'll find a detailed syllabus, instructor information, sample lessons, and testimonials from past learners. Reading through this information gives you a clear idea of what to expect before enrolling. When you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button. This is usually clearly visible on the course page. Click on Enroll to begin the registration process. If you already have a Harvard Online or Harvard Business School Online account, you'll be prompted to log in using your existing credentials. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. After logging in or creating your account, you'll be asked to fill in your personal details. This may include your name, country, educational background, and professional experience. Make sure all the information you enter is accurate, as this will be associated with your course certificate if you choose a paid track. Next comes the payment step. The Adaptive Leadership course is typically a paid program, although some versions may offer limited free access without a certificate. Choose the option that works best for you. Enter your payment details, review the total cost carefully, and confirm your purchase. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation email with your enrollment details. After enrolling, you can immediately continue to the course dashboard. From here, you'll have access to all the course materials, including video lectures, readings, quizzes, and assignments. The course is usually self-paced, which means you can learn on your own schedule and revisit lessons anytime. To continue the course, simply log into your Harvard Learning account whenever you're ready, navigate to your dashboard, and flick on the Adaptive Leadership course. Follow the modules in order, complete the activities, and track your progress as you go. Make sure to stay consistent so you can get the most value from the program. And that's it. You now know exactly how to access the Adaptive Leadership course on Harvard, enroll correctly, complete the payment, and start learning with confidence. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides on courses, software, and online tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.